morning, dear students. I am your economics teacher from DAV School, Haripura. I welcome you to economics class. Today our topic is about the demand. We are going to do some important distinctions. What is the distinction between increase in quantity demanded and increase in demand? In demand chapter, this is the most important and basic differentiation in which students got confused. So we are going to do this. Be careful and be attentive. Increase in quantity demanded का alternative name है extension in demand. It is associated with law of demand. So keep in mind when he is saying increase in quantity demanded, he wants to confuse you. You are not to get confused. It is due to changing price. Its first point of difference is, what is the meaning? First of all, we start with meaning. Increase in quantity demanded. It means when they fall in price of a commodity, its quantity demanded falls. When they fall in price, its quantity demanded increases. It is increase in quantity demanded or extension in demand. Two names I have used: extension in डिमांड. प्राइस फॉल किया, क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड राइज की, दिस इज इंक्रीज इन क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड. इट इज ड्यू टू फॉल इन प्राइस. एंड थर्ड पॉइंट इज देयर इज डाउनवर्ड मूवमेंट along the demand curve. Against all these points, we are going to write on that side what is increase in demand. Firstly, we have written when they fall in price of a good. Here we will write at the same price, at the constant price, when there is rise in quantity demanded, it is increase in demand. सेकेंड पॉइंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हियर स्टूडेंट मिस वन थिंग. जैसे कि वो लिखते हैं इट इज ड्यू टू फैक्टर्स अदर देन प्राइस. ये तो वो लिख देते हैं कि अदर देन प्राइस है कई बार, लेकिन वो लिखते नहीं कि कौन से फैक्टर्स हैं. लाइक इंक्रीज इन इनकम, increase in price of substitutes, extra. You can write 2 points or 3 points like increase in income, increase in price of, increase in price of, इंक्रीज का साइन डाल दिया मैम ने, इंक्रीज इन प्राइस ऑफ सब्सटीट्यूट गुड्स एंड फॉल इन प्राइस ऑफ कंप्लीमेंट्री गुड्स. थर्ड पॉइंट इज देयर इज राइटवर्ड शिफ्ट ऑफ डिमांड कर्व. राइटवर्ड का मतलब इंक्रीज हो गया, शिफ्ट ऑफ डिमांड कर्व. इंक्रीज इन डिमांड में डिमांड कर्व शिफ्ट होगी, जबकि एक्सटेंशन इन डिमांड में डिमांड कर्व शिफ्ट नहीं होगी. I am going to draw the picture for you so that it can become more clear to you. On y-axis we are measuring price. Here on x-axis we are going to include quantity. DD is the demand curve. You can see very well. I have drawn the demand curve. Price of the commodity and quantity. OP is the price. OQ is the quantity. Now I say this is point A. When there is fall in price, quantity demanded rises from Q to Q1. Price fall from P to P1 and the consumer moves from A point to B point. Just see downward movement along single demand curve. It is known as extension in demand or increase in quantity demanded. Only quantity demanded has risen up due to falling price. This is the important thing. And at fourth point, on this side, we are going to explain that at the same price, demand has risen up. Here we are taking up price. On this side we are measuring quantity. DD is the demand curve. Price is OP. OQ is quantity. Now at the same price, due to increase in income, demand of the commodity has risen up. Rightward shift in the demand curve is there. This is point A and this is point B. When movement is there from A to B, rightward shift is there. DD to D1 D1, A to B movement है, तो rightward shift of demand curve is there. Rightward shift of demand curve is known as increase in demand. So children, you connect the things and relate the things, then you will be able to learn. As I have already told you कि extension में fall in price की वजह से extension होना है, नीचे की ओर downward shift होना है, जबकि इसमें increase in demand में demand curve shift होगी. इसमें extension में एक ही demand curve है, जबकि increase in demand में 2 demand curves हैं. So this is the main concept which must be clear to you. Thank you.